last vlog that I put, so go watch.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Show y'all my Valentine's Day outfit, and then after that I have a little announcement. So I'm gonna wear this pink shirt and these pants. I was thinking of putting on a skirt, then the pants, like take a picture in it, because I'm not going nowhere. I just wanted to take like a cute picture, because it's been a while. Probably wear a wig and, you know, maybe some lashes and all that stuff. But yeah, okay, so here's the announcement. I know that people don't like watch the whole thing of my videos, and honestly, I've gave it some thought and I don't care anymore. I have done a lot of things to change it up on my channel. I've stopped saying like and I try to get straight to the point, but that's just not me. I'll explain next time I do a feisty and loud why. Like, I like to do what I want when I want. I already had censored myself last year, and I haven't censored myself no more this 2 months. So I'm pretty proud of myself for that. But I'm trying to cater to y'all of YouTube. Let's face it, only like maybe 3 people who are subscribed to me actually watch my videos. But the rest of y'all who are subscribed, y'all don't even watch. So I'm saying this for whoever don't skip over this, or whoever just wants to hear it. I'm going to go back to doing YouTube my way. If you don't like if you like if you don't like me giving my opinions during the watch the show, because I'm not the only one who do that. That person. But I bet you if it was somebody else's video, you would stick around to hear what they had to say. But that is all I'm going, because I would skip parts. Like, I would basically would like to say, hi, you're watching Ghosted, and this is episode blah blah and season blah blah. And I don't do that anymore. And I get straight to the point in the videos, and it didn't help anything. But yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow, which is Valentine's Day. Okay, what kind of bread they got? Y'all know that all the bread went this way now? Oh, this is what time is it? Just vegetables and stuff like that. because I bought some mushrooms too. And I bought this water. And I'm just gonna try this in the next clip. This is Coca-Cola with coffee. So I don't know if it's gonna taste like coffee. And I got these Notorious B.I.G. chips. That's what's up. Alright, so I Powerpuff Girl themed the stuff behind me. So you see this is Buttercup right here. And there's Bubbles right there. And then there's Blossom over there. So I hope you all enjoy that. I have a couple food reviews and there's actually something I want to show you guys. Y'all need to go buy Disney Plus. It's from Beauty and the Beast. Like it lights up and everything. Y'all know, like Mulan, Beauty and the Beast, and The Little Mermaid are like my top 3 Disney princesses. And then Tiana. But Beauty and Beast is up there because I like this part because, as you know, it's just like the movie. Because you see the petals fall down, just like so. And here's what it looks like without all that. But it looks better with the glass on it. But I didn't want to just there's that. This is Coca-Cola with coffee. It's great Coca-Cola taste blended with rich luxurious coffee. This is the weekend, and it has 0 calories, and it's my time to have soda, okay? Because tomorrow I go back to not having any. So I like to sniff it. Don't look at me as like a weirdo. I smell a hint of coffee. This is vanilla. It was 2 for $4. I taste it and I actually give it a 9 out of 10. It's not that bad. Nope, not that bad. No, so this is the Notorious B.I.G. Notorious Big B.I.G. Cookout Sauce Barbecue. And it says all of his history right here. As we know, his real name is Christopher Wallace. And there's all this information. And they have their own Wrap Snacks Foundation. But let's get into 10 out of 10 for these. Because they do not taste like regular chip. But I will see y'all later. Alright y'all, so as you can see this is the look. This is the shirt. I have not put on my skirt yet because I was going to take some pictures. Of course, I put pictures on my personal Facebook, my personal Instagram here with y'all. You know, this is my favorite Instagram, to be honest. Second to my Sims. But, yeah, that's about it. About to grab me some sushi. And I did that look.
Did she really say sushi? What's sushi? Sushi.
With this palette. Can't wait to go back to Ross and get another palette. But, yeah. Alright, y'all. So, I'm going to have shrimp, fries, and sushi. Because if I don't finish that sushi, I'm going to throw it away. No, because that sushi don't stay good that long. So I'm using Cajun breading. You know it's gonna be spicy. It's okay. Them shrimp be spicy. Because what if I don't like this season? I don't want them on all of it.
Then what you doing?
Yeah. Alright y'all, this is the breaded shrimp and the fries, sangria, and water. Alright, so this is the end of the vlog. I don't know when it will be the next time I post a video, you know, but yeah, I may take a break for the first time in a long time.